Okay, family and friends, in today's video I'm going to show how to install Miracle Thunder XTM 2.82. So you have to download this setup from the internet. So me, I've already downloaded it. So you just double click on it. After you double click, it will show you the user account control like this one. Then you click on yes. Then it will show an explorer like this one. So you have to agree to the license terms and conditions. You click here, then you click on next. After clicking on next, you go on install. You wait for it to install. Just click on OK. Wait for it. It will take 3 to 5 minutes to install. Okay, after this is done, it will show something like hidden run. So you go on finish. So it will show a shortcut on the desktop like this one. So you double click the shortcut. You wait for it to run. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, it has pop up. Now the problem is you find that the start button will not work. It only allows you it only allows the stop button but not the start button. So you close it, then you go on this same shortcut. You right click, then you go on open location. When you go on open location, just search here in the location, search handle like this one, handle. Then you find that some files will pop up like this handle, like some setting icon, and so then you delete this. Delete. After deleting, you close. Then you go back to your icon, your Miracle Thunder icon. You double click it. Wait for it to run. You'll find that now the start button will start working. It has shown. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.